Hi, friends. Today we're going to read a story. We're going to make a prediction, listen for characters in a story, and then compare these characters. So remember, some of these things we can't really talk about because I'm on this side and you're just watching. So go ahead and pause me when you need to so you can discuss these things. Okay? Are you ready? This is our story today. The story is called Little Bat Plays Ball. Can you make a prediction about what you think this story might be about? So go ahead and take a look at the picture. Remember our title, Little Bat Plays Ball, and go ahead and make your prediction about what you think this book might be about. Remember to pause me if you need more time. Now, my friends, let's listen to the story. Are you ready? All right, it's a big book, so I'm going to have to use my muscles. You ready? Little Bat Plays Ball, based on a Cherokee folktale retold by Maria Vargas, illustrated by Gerald McDermott. Are you ready? Little Bat loved to play ball. May I play with you? He asked Bear. Ooh. Bear laughed. You are too tiny to play with us, Bear said. Oh, and take a look at how Bat is feeling. Bear said he was too tiny to play with him. Doesn't look like he's feeling very good. May I play with you? Little Bat asked Eagle. See if Eagle gives a more positive answer. Yes, Eagle said. You are the perfect size. You just need wings. Eagle made little wings with an old drum. Well, in this story, bats don't have wings yet. Eagle gives him pieces of a drum to create wings, just so he can play. Little Bat was strong. He hit the ball. He won the game. Eagle was right. Little Bat was just the right size. Oh, well, that ended very nicely, didn't it? Now let's take a look at a couple of things. Here, I'll move me out of the way. Were your predictions correct? Did you have the right prediction? Did you predict that Little Bat was going to play ball? Yeah? Did you predict that maybe Bear was going to say something not nice, like he wasn't allowed to play? I didn't know that from looking at the title and the story and the cover. Did you predict maybe that Bat was really good at playing ball? Very good. I hope you made some wonderful predictions. Now let's talk about our characters, okay? We had our main character. Our main character was definitely Little Bat. Then Little Bat met Bear. Do you remember? And Bear said he wasn't allowed to play because Bat was too tiny. But then we had another character come in, Eagle. And Eagle said, it's okay, Little Bat. You just need wings so you can play. And then it turned out that Little Bat was really good at playing ball. He just needed a friend to help him out. So let's go ahead and compare some of our characters, okay? So if we have Bear and Eagle, how might they be different? How do they move differently? Well, that's true. Bear kind of walks on the ground and Eagle flies. What about their size? How are they different in size? I know it's hard to tell here, but bears are very, very big. And eagles are also big, but not as big as bears. And then I wonder, how do they make different sounds? What sound does a bear make? That's right, he growls. What sound does an eagle make? That's right, they kind of screech, right? Not the same sound at all. Now let's take a look at bat and eagle. How are they different? Do they move differently? Actually, they both have claws so they can grip onto things, and they both have wings, so they move in a very similar manner. Now, I'll tell you one difference. An eagle sleeps in a nest, but a bat hangs upside down, right? What about their size? Do you think their size is different? I know an eagle can be very large and some bats can be very tiny, but there are some bats in the world that are actually very large and almost the size of eagles. Now, what about sound? Do you know the sound difference between an eagle and a bat? We know that an eagle makes very loud screeching sounds. Do you know what a sound a bat makes? It's actually very little and squeaky. Squeak, squeak, squeak. Kind of like a mouse. That's when they use their echolocation. So I think the eagle is different because he's louder than the bat is. Well, thank you for comparing those with me. Now let's take a look. I'm going to ask you 3 questions, and after each question, I just want you to pause yourself, okay? And see if you can answer them. Are you ready? How does Bat feel when Bear tells him he can't play? Yeah, I don't think he felt very good. Let's try another question. What job does little Bat do even though he's tiny? Yeah, he plays ball, and he plays it really well, actually. And my last question is, what other characters have we read about that can do big jobs even though they were small? Do you remember another story from this week? Well, that's right. Remember, Little Rooster had a big job on the farm. Good work, my friends. Thank you for doing your ELA practice